Hello dears, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create automated attendance sheet for months in Excel. You see how it automatically updates itself. For example, here I selected month February, directly this column change, also the title changes. For example, I change this one to 24, directly title change and the days change. Let's change it to January as you see here. Here if I add 0, you see, it become 91%. Also gradient field change. If I add another one, if it's absent, how the percentage change. If I add 1, it means it is present in a class. You see how it changes. If you want to create attendance sheet like this, watch to the end. But please don't forget to like the video and leave a feedback in a comment section. It helps me to improve my tutorials and help you better. Let's start. First, you have to have a data sheet. There must be months and year as you see here. And from attendance sheet here, I come to here and select 3 cells and merge and center. Here also 3, merge and center. Name it month. From here again, I need 3 cell, merge and center. 3 cell, merge and center. Name this one year. Select this one. Then from data, go to data validation, select list, click this icon, go to our data sheet, select it, the months. Good. Enter. Okay. Directly here, I have this months. I can select it. For example, I select January. For here, again, from data validation, list, go to data, select zeros. Enter. Okay. Now, from here, Control V. I have this ID. You can put ID or any other column you can add if you want to add more information. Then from here, I add equal sign, date, value, concat, this one, this one. There is here. Close and enter. Yes, good. Now let me select a year. Good. Just change the cell format, right click, format cell, from date. For example, I select it this type. Okay. You see 1st of January. For this cell, just equal to this one plus 1. It becomes 2nd of January. And go to 31 January. Good. Now, if I select this and change alignment, again, right click, format cell, go to alignment, change it to 90°. Okay. Now, select these cells and change its thickness. Now, I think it's good. Just this cell, bring it to here. Good. You can change this field. For example, I change it to this one, to this one. Good. Also, you can change this field, for example, to this. Now, from here, I can add attendance day. Good. This one, total, and attendance percent. Good. Now, just change its alignment. Select them. Select it. Right click. Format cell. Alignment. Change it to 90°. Okay. Bring it to center. And here. Again. Good. You can change color. Now select all these cells, then conditional formatting, new rule. From here select icon status, change this one to number, this one to number also, select this tick, and for this one, this, add one here. For this one, select no cell icon and show icon only. Now okay. Okay. Now if I just add one, you see it shows a tick. And if I add zero, it shows a cross. It means it's absent. Now if I select for all, good. Here, let's add more. For the cell, just equal sign, count if, select this range, and add attendance 1, close, and enter. You see, I have 3 attendance. It directly sum all the 3 days which the student comes. For this total, just equal sign, count A, add this range. Good, it's 4 days. It count all the days. And from attendance percent, just equal to this one divide by this one. Enter and change it to percent. Good. Now select this cell and drag to the end. Good. Now if I change a cell here, for example 1, you see how it changes. Just I want to add border, from border, more border, select it, this color. Okay. Here I need border, this color. Good. Now just bring it to the center. Good. For this cell, just select all, then conditional formatting, new rule, select it, data bar. From here, select number. From here, select number 0 to 1. Change this color to this one. Select solid border. Color again to this one. Okay, it's good. If I add, for example, I add 0, 1. Okay, good. Now it's ready. If I change this one to 0, it's good. 8. Another one. You see how it changes. Also from here, just merge and center equal to attendance sheet for space quotation, the symbol, this one, the symbol again, quotation, dash, quotation, the symbol, and the year, the symbol, double quotation. Enter. Now change it to bold, change its size to good, and I want to fill it. Good. Now you can fill this one by white, this one white, white. Good. Now you have automated advanced attendance sheet. If I just add 0 here, you see how it changes. Now I can use for another month. For example, for April, directly change for another year. That's all. Don't forget to like and leave a comment. Have a nice time.